Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. It is a hot summer day and we are working on a jet ski, and it's 3 days prior to the 4th of July weekend, so we want to get our jet ski fixed. Right now, unfortunately, it is taking on water and we need to address that immediately. So let's head to the jet ski and show you exactly where it's leaking. Now let's go ahead and remove the actual seats. Down here is a tab. We will remove this one and the front one. Both front and rear seats are removed, and just for better access to the engine compartment, I'll go ahead and remove that. Safety first always. Disconnect both battery cables from the power leads on your battery. And back here, way down in there, you can see the bellow that feeds under this plastic cover. And as the engine is running, water is gushing and spraying out in this entire area, both under the actual plastic cover as well as out the sides. And with that said, the plastic cover does not actually go down to the absolute bottom portion of the hull, so there is a gap in between the hull and this plastic cover, which allows water to spray out to the right as well to the left. So what we need to do is actually gain access to the bellow inward toward the actual engine, where we can inspect the carbon seal, the C-ring, the drive shaft support ring, as well as verifying that the clamps are secure. That's it, YouTubers. So in the event, again, that your jet ski is leaking from the bellow area and underneath that plastic cover, now it's time to take that cover off, inspect the bellow and carbon seal. So the next video, you will see two separate videos. Number one, gaining access to the bellows for inspection, and number two, gaining access to the actual carbon seal for inspection. Definitely check those out. We'll see you at the next video. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again. We'll see you at the next video.